Hi friends, good morning. You are heartily welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Master Key of Success. In this video you are watching ISI Specifications of ice cream. Minimum weight of ice cream equal to 525 grams per liter. Minimum total solids DS of ice cream equal to 36% weight. Minimum milk fat of ice cream equal to 10% weight. Maximum acidity of ice cream equal to 0.25% lactic acid. Maximum sucrose of ice cream equal to 15% weight. Maximum stabilizer or emulsifier of ice cream equal to 0.5% weight. Maximum standard plate count, that is S.P.C. of ice cream equal to 250,000 per gram. Maximum coliform count of ice cream equal to 90 per gram. Phosphatage test of ice cream will be negative. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share it on social media.